Good morning, dear students. Last class, I told all types of problems on 1 function and on 2 function. At the same time, previous classes, we have finished the problems on inverse functions also. When we are calling the functions are inverse functions, when we are calling the functions are bisective functions, about these two also we discussed, and I have told everything about these two also. When f becomes both 1 and onto, at the time we can call f is bisective function. At the same time, f is forms both 1 and onto. At the same time also, we are calling f is said to be invertible. At the same time, f is called inverse function, or for that function inverse function exists. Today I am going to starting a new lesson. That name of the lesson is binary operations. Binary operations. What is meant by binary operations here? First, I'll show you binary operations through the number system. Bi means 2. That's why for every 2 elements, for every 2 numbers, that is for every 2 elements only, this definition will be exist. That's what, say, you can take first, I'll tell you through the number system. For example, take a set of natural numbers. Operations nothing but here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How to check by plus, or how to check by subtraction means by minus, and how to check by multiplication, or how to check by division also. That's like that 4 operations. Including all these 4 operations we are calling binary operations. Say here plus, how to check with respect to plus here. Next, with respect to minus, you have to check here. Into, at the same time, division also here. Say take any 2 numbers, natural numbers. For example, take 2 numbers. 2 belongs to n and 3 belongs to n. Here 2 plus 3 is equal to here 5. 5 also belongs to n. That's why subtraction of any the addition of any 2 near numbers, the addition of any 2 natural numbers is again natural number. You can take any 2 natural numbers. That should be exist every 2 numbers of natural. That's what, if you can proceed like that, in case of addition, this is exists. That's what n is a binary operation on addition. On addition. Set of all natural numbers satisfies binary operations on addition with respect to addition. That's why, for example, take 5 plus 6 or 10 plus 11 or 20 plus 9, like that any 2 natural numbers you can take, sum of those 2 natural numbers, and again you should get natural number. If you can get like that, that is the binary operation. That's what we can give definition. Let S be a non-empty set. S be a non-empty set. S be a non-empty set. S be a non-empty set such that if for all a comma b belongs to S, then A star B belongs to S, where star is a binary operation. Star be a binary operation. It may be plus, or it may be minus, or it may be multiplication, or it may be division, anything. If you can tell directly that, we can't understand well. That's what before that through the number system. Let us, we are going to taking a example for binary operations is the set of natural numbers. With the help of this, easily we can define that definitions of binary operations here. See, according to the definition, I am taking S as a non-empty set here. S is a non-empty set means capital N be a non-empty set where 2 belongs to capital N and 3 belongs to capital N. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 belongs to capital N. That is the addition of any two natural numbers is again natural number. Therefore, addition is a binary operation on a set of all natural numbers. Come to subtraction. See here, if you can observe here, 2 belongs to capital N, 3 belongs to capital N. 2 minus 3 is equal to here, minus 1 does not belongs to capital N. Of course, you may raise one doubt, sir, why can't you do 3 minus 2? Of course, you can solve. You can do 3 minus 2 or you can do 4 minus 3. That's why, but reversely, it is not satisfies. Why means, according to definition, for all, for every, for each, it should be exist all numbers. It should be exist all numbers means then only that is a binary operation on that minus or plus or into or division. See, but it satisfies some numbers. It is not satisfying some numbers means it is not a binary operation. See, in case of natural numbers, in case of addition, you can take any two natural numbers. The sum of those two natural numbers is again natural number. That's what n is a binary operation on addition. That is a set of natural numbers satisfies a binary operation with respect to addition. But whereas in case of subtraction, it is not satisfy. So it is not satisfy means for that I have taken an example 2 belongs to capital N and 3 belongs to capital N, then 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 does not belongs to capital N. That's what we can tell minus, that is the subtraction is not a binary operation on set of all natural numbers. Come to into. 2 belongs to capital N and 3 belongs to capital N here. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 belongs to capital N here. It is a binary operation. Easily by showing multiplication, easily we can tell about the product of natural numbers. The product of any two natural numbers is again natural number. That's why set of all natural numbers is always satisfies binary operation with respect to products, that is with respect to multiplication. Come to division. Division is not binary operation. How means 2 belongs to capital N and 3 belongs to capital N, but 2 by 3 does not belongs to capital N. Here division means does not satisfies. Even it does not satisfies in the case of real numbers, in case of rational numbers, in case of complex numbers also. For that I'll tell you reason. First we have to finish about this. See, in case of division for a set of natural numbers, let 2 belongs to capital N, 3 belongs to capital N. Then you can take division 2 by 3 you can take. 2 by 3 means some point, 0 point something will come. But like those numbers, they are not belonging to a set of natural numbers. That's what I represented with symbol does not belongs to capital N. Therefore, division is not a binary operation on set of all natural numbers. Here, addition and multiplication, these two only forms binary operations on set of all natural numbers. But subtraction and division, they are not forms of binary operations on set of all natural numbers. Set is very important. In some sets, minus also becomes binary operation. That's why here I am going to taking all these 4 operations on set of all natural numbers only. Because I choose this set of natural numbers to tell definition, it is little bit somewhat easiest way. See, if I can tell direct definition, but you can't understand, you can't analyze well. But by showing this set of all natural numbers, how we are taking the elements, how we are taking the numbers, according to addition how we are taking, according to subtraction how we are taking, according to multiplication how we are taking, according to division how we are taking. Like that, if we can move through the numbers, easily we can analyze what is binary operation, what is the definition of binary operation. Because of that only, firstly I showed set of all natural numbers, and afterwards based on that I gave definition of binary operations. So what? With help of this table, we can give definition of binary operation is like this. Let capital S be a non-empty set, and such that for all A comma B belongs to capital S, then A star B belongs to capital S. For all is the very important. If you can remove for all means you can select some two elements only. That is if you can remove that for all, that definition exists for only two elements. If you can put this symbol for all, for every, for each means for every two elements from that set. For every two elements. In that case only the definition will be exist. Simply you can tell the combining of two elements. If the combining of two elements, you will get new element. No, that new element must be present in that set. Then we can call that process is called the process of binary operation. This is the concepts and definitions of binary operation. The example this is the example only set of natural numbers. Firstly, I moved with help of example, and afterwards I gave definition of binary operation. Binary operation definition is the let S be a non-empty set. For all A comma B belongs to capital S, then A star B belongs to capital S, where star is a binary operation. Let us now we are going to discussing about in which set binary operation and in which set it is not forms binary operation, in which set plus forms binary operation, in which set minus forms binary operation, and in which set multiplication forms binary operation, in which set division binary operation. In some sets division is not a binary operation. I will show you now. See, binary operation definition already I told. Once again I am writing here because with help of that definition only we are going to giving examples here. Binary operation definition. For all A comma B belongs to capital S, then A star B belongs to capital S, comma, where S is a non-empty set. S is a non-empty set. Set it. Examples. Set of all natural numbers. Number 1. Set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers. Or satisfies binary operation with respect to addition and multiplication. With respect to addition and multiplication. Next, second is the usual addition, subtraction and multiplication or binary operations on the sets R, Q, and Z, and complex numbers also. I'll show you now. The usual addition, subtraction and multiplication or binary operations on the sets R, Q, Z and C. But division is not binary operation in case of R also. First, we are discussing about real numbers. See, I have written here addition, subtraction, multiplication, all binary operations on all the three sets here. See here, first take a set of all real number. The sum of any two real numbers is again real number. You can take any two real numbers, sum them. Sum means just to club them. For example, A is equal to sum 5 and B is equal to sum 10. Both are belong to real numbers. Take addition between these two. 5 plus 10 becomes 15. 15 is also real number or not? Is it real number? No. That's why addition is a binary operation on set of all real numbers. Even take subtraction also. The subtraction of any two real numbers and again real number. That's why subtraction is also a binary operation on set of all real numbers. Take products, that is multiplication. The product of any two real numbers is again real number. That's what we can tell. The product or multiplication is always binary operation on set of all real numbers. Next come to rational numbers. But whereas division is not binary operation in all these three sets. I'll tell you reason for that. Let us first we have to finish this second step, that is the example. In example, under the example second points. See here, in case of rational numbers, here also you can take rational means sum of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. And even in case of subtraction also, the subtraction of any two rational numbers is again rational. Products, the product of any two rational numbers is again rational number. For that you can take some examples. So through any numbers you can take. But now we are discussing about set of rational numbers now. Take any A is equal to 10 and B is equal to sum 5. 10 plus 5, 15 is also belongs to rational number now. By 1, but rational numbers means the number how should be? How should be the numbers? How they should be in the form means the numbers which are in the form of P by Q. P by Q means they are fractions. But you are telling 10 no sir. How you are going telling 10 as a fraction? Maybe if you can erase doubt, 10 also can be written as 10 by 1 no. If you can erase doubt in case of 5 also. 5 also can be written as 5 by 1 no. That's why 10, 5, 15, like all those numbers are also called as rational numbers. That's what I selected two numbers for rational numbers is A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Then if you can take sum of these two, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 belongs to Q. That's why 15 is also rational number. That's what we can tell here. The addition of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. Or similarly in the same way you can take in case of subtraction also, the subtraction of any two rational numbers and is again rational number, that is 10 minus 5. I selected for 10 and 5 no, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, 15 belongs to rational number. Similarly in the same way for subtraction also you can take like this, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 5 belongs to rational number. And even in case of multiplication or product also, 10 into 5 is equal to 15, 15 belongs to Q. That's what here we can tell, the product of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. The product of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. That's why addition, subtraction and multiplication, these are all always binary operations on set of all rational numbers. Now one more number is there, Z, integers, set of all integers. Z nothing but here, set of all integers. Don't forget about all these letters, or the capital letter or nothing but set of all real numbers. Capital letter Q nothing but set of all rational numbers. Here Z means set of all integers and C means complex numbers. What I told, binary operations like usual addition and usual subtraction and usual multiplication, all these three are binary operations on all these four sets, but division is not binary operation here. Here Z, the subtraction of any two integers is integer, the addition of any two integers is integer, the product of any two integers is the integer. That's why these three are binary operations on set of all integers. In case of complex numbers also, sum of any two complex numbers is again a complex number. The subtraction of any two complex numbers is again a complex number. And the product of any two complex numbers is a complex number. Product of any two complex numbers is again a complex number. That's why the usual addition, usual subtraction and usual multiplication, all three are binary operations on all these four sets. But division is not a binary operation. How? So division means fractions. No, you can say those types of fractions in a set of all real numbers and rational numbers, complex numbers. So this is all, it is also binary operation, but you are telling why, you are telling it is not a binary operation. How, sir? Like that you may ask me doubt means I'll tell you proof to that now. Let us we're discussing about that. Division is not a binary operation. See here. Division is not a binary operation. Is not a binary operation on the sets n comma. Already I gave proof for n. Firstly, at the starting time I told all operations on n, on set of all natural numbers, addition and multiplication, they are only binary operations, but subtraction and division, they are not. About that firstly I told. Even I am writing once again here n, z, q, r and c. N means set of all natural numbers, z means set of all integers, q means set of rational numbers, r means set of all real numbers, and c means set of all complex numbers. See here how means. See here, for example, for n you can take here first n case. A belongs to a is equal to 2 belongs to capital N, and b is equal to 3 belongs to capital N. But 2 by 3 division no does not belongs to capital N. Therefore, set of natural on set of natural numbers, division is not a binary operation. Next, move to this z also. Set of all z means in set of all integers we will not say that fractions. Here a is equal to 2 belongs to capital N, and b is equal to 3 belongs to capital N, but 2 by 3 does not belongs to capital N here. Here also same. But in case of q, r and c, but we are seeing these numbers. But why it is not forms a binary operation on the sets q, r and c here? About that you may raise in doubt here. I'll tell you about that. But I give proof. Division is not a binary operation on z and on n. Just one example enough. If it is not satisfies to show that one example enough. That's what through one example the division is not a binary operation on sets n and z here. But in case of q, r and c, in remaining those three sets also, division is not a binary operation. How? About that I am telling. See, listen carefully here. In case of r, set of all real numbers, a is equal to belongs to capital R, b is equal to 0. 0 also real number, you can take 0 also. That's why a divide b means 2 by 0 does not belongs to capital R. 2 by 0 means infinity. It's a meaningless term. Infinity, what can you say? We did not see any perfect number infinity, no. That's why 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 4 by 0, 5 by 0, like those numbers are not present in set of all natural numbers. Because of this reason only I am telling division is not a binary operation on set of all real numbers. Similarly, in the same way, you may raise doubt also here. Sir, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 6 by 7, 7 by 8, we can take those numbers. No, why can't you take those? But why you are taking these means you may raise doubt. According to definition of binary operation, it should be satisfies all. It is satisfying some numbers. It is not satisfying some numbers, means it is not a binary operation. Of course, these rules are satisfied for 2 by 3, 4 by 5, some 7 by 3, some finite value by finite value. It should be exist to all. But in case of 2, 0, 3, 0, minus 5, 0, we can take 2, 0, we can take 3, 0, we can take 10, 0 also. Because the definition exists for all a, b belongs to capital S. For all a, b belongs to capital S, then a star b belongs to capital S, where star may be division or multiplication or addition or subtraction. It may be anything there. But we are discussing about division. No, that's what we are taking division here. According to that, you can take a is equal to belongs to capital R and b is equal to 0 belongs to capital R. In that case, you can take here 2 star 0 is equal to 2 by 0. But 2 by 0 is the infinite term, does not belongs to capital R. One example enough. That's why I have taken this example 2 by 0. According to which you can take 3 by 0, 4 by 0, 5 by 0 also you can take. But in all these cases, we are telling that infinity means meaningless terms. Like all those numbers are called meaningless. That meaningless means we can't tell any perfect number. We can't give any perfect meaning to that. That's why like those numbers, they are not present in the set of all real numbers. Because of this reason only we can tell here division is not a binary operation on set of all real numbers. Even you can take here also, in case of R also, or in case of Q also here. Q also here. Q means A is equal to 2 belongs to Q. And one more is B is equal to some 0 belongs to Q. Then 2 by 0 does not belongs to Q here. Even complex numbers, C is the complex numbers. Here also A is equal to some 5 belongs to C and B is equal to 0 belongs to C. But 5 by 0 does not belongs to C here. But division is binary operation when in which case it forms binary operation. In which case means set of all non-zero real numbers, set of all non-zero rational numbers, set of all non-zero complex numbers. In all these three sets, division is a binary operation. But without non-zero term, they never forms binary operations. They are not forming any binary operations on all these three sets. That's why, because of all these three concepts only, the division is not a binary operation on sets R, Q and C here. Even about N and Z, totally they are not forming there. At the end of N, already I told also about N, starting time. In case of Z also, they are not forming binary operations here. Now in which case it forms binary operations means, about that now we are going discussing. Division is a binary operation. Division is a binary operation. Binary operation on the sets R star Q star and C star, where R star is equal to, R star means here R minus 0. Without 0 you can take any numbers. Q star is equal to here Q, set of all rational numbers, minus 0. C star means here C minus 0 here. Set of all non-zero real numbers, set of all non-zero rational numbers, set of all non-zero complex numbers, non-zero. On all these three sets only, division forms a binary operation. But in case of R, in case of Q and in case of C, they are not forms of binary operations. It is the information about binary operations. Today I told definition of binary operation, at the same time in which case it forms binary operation, in which case it is not a binary operation. At the same time I have given some examples also. Next class we will solve problems on binary operations. They will give some definitions. These three, at the same time they are going to define definitions on sets. On that set, given definition is a binary operation or not. About that we'll discuss on next class. That's why today I have finished the concept of binary operation and definition of binary operation. Just I gave examples only today. Tomorrow we'll solve the problems. Thank you very much.